Hi, I'm Emna Harigua. I'm a founder and CEO of Artificial Intelligence for Health Development, which is a purposeful business focused on developing innovative solutions for the e-health sector. With the COVID-19 pandemic that started in early 2020 and late 2019, we started to think about what type of solutions we can bring to this huge sanitary problem that the world is facing. So one of the major WHO recommendation to better control the diagnosis for different countries worldwide was the fact of deploying massive diagnosis and screening strategies. But this was a big challenge for different countries, namely low-income countries, but not only. So, and even in some rich countries, deploying such massive diagnosis was a challenge, namely because the reference tests that are based on RT-PCR request experienced people and cost a lot of money. So there is a big need for alternative diagnosis solution for non-centric and large screenings of patients suspected for COVID-19 for better control of this pandemic, and the solution need to request little expertise and be quick and reliable. So in this context, we have developed Covered.io, which is a secure platform for clinical data collection and management with an AI-assisted diagnosis core that will use X-rays and CT chest images to establish a diagnosis of COVID-19, and it presents more than 96 accuracy. So this is a demo of let's say, alpha version of our platform. It is still a very simple dashboard, but it is functional and deployed on the cloud. So it allows the medical doctors to enter a multitude of information that goes from demographic information about the patient, and also it can, once the patient is created, we can enter data on his admission to a hospital service. Also, we can introduce data on his movement to better know if there is any contagious or contacts with other people for better control of people that have been in contact with ill people. Here is a very long list of data that are needed for patients that will be kept in the hospitals and to do the clinical monitoring of their clinical state. This is very specific to hospitals, but our platform also can help introduce data from serological tests, if available, and RT-PCR data, if also available for that patient. Then comes the radiological core, where a medical doctor can upload or connect directly our application to a radiology apparatus and have directly a response or an estimation on the probability that the patient has COVID-19. So Covered.io will present a modular feature which allows a client to use either the whole system if he is based in a hospital, but can also be used as a more simplistic application that can be used by radiologists or within other data systems for clinical data management. It is deployed on the cloud and can allow synchronization across devices. We are now developing a user interface for an enhanced user experience of our platform. So our clients are hospitals, private clinics, and radiology cabinets. And we will present our solution as SaaS model, software as a service, where we will be offering 2 months free trial for clinicians that would like to test our solution and see if they are suitable, if it's suitable for them. Then they are invited for monthly SaaS subscription according to their needs, whether it is only the AI based diagnosis functionality or the whole data system, data management system. So here is our roadmap for the next 3 years. We are now ready to test and develop the ready-to-use product, and we hope that it's going to be ready by the end of July. We are actively working on fundraising in order to enlarge our team and have more people join us. We seek to contract clients from the European market and the Tunisian market by December 2020 and launch a mobile version for a more handy version of our product. We also have in mind to tackle other markets such as the African market, upgrade our infrastructure, and have our own servers to deploy on our platform. We have also other projects that include AI-based diagnosis such as dermatology, and we think that once we have covered IU, launched and went to the market, we will be able to associate other type of e-health solution to it. So this is our team. Big hand to Harigua, who is the developer behind the whole system. Myself as a CEO and data scientists helping him on different type of aspects to develop the AI core. We have partners such as Institut Pasteur of Tunis, who is the reference center in COVID-19 diagnosis, molecular diagnosis, and EY as a very important partner for marketing our solution and better study our market. We are in a very active negotiation with a COVID-19 radiology service in a hospital in Tunisia to access data to validate our tool. And we are here very interested in attracting investors, partners from the medical sector to validate our tool, and SMEs with complementary objectives that are interested in co-creation. We are very open. So thank you for listening to us. You can join us on and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, or get in touch. Here's my email. So I will drop it in the chat if you have any questions, or please you can just visit our website for more information on what we do in general. Thank you very much.